Cybersecurity is a field dedicated to protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, damage, and disruption. It involves a range of practices, technologies, and strategies to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital information. Here are some key secrets and insights about cybersecurity. 1. Strong passwords and authentication. One of the fundamental principles of cybersecurity is using strong, unique passwords for each online account. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a fingerprint or a unique code sent to a mobile device. 2. Regular software updates. Keeping software, operating systems, and applications up to date is crucial. Software updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities discovered by developers or researchers. Ignoring updates can leave systems exposed to known security risks. 3. Phishing awareness. Phishing is a common cyber attack technique where attackers trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or financial details, by posing as a trustworthy entity. Being cautious of unsolicited emails, messages, or phone calls and verifying the legitimacy of requests can help prevent falling victim to phishing attacks. 4. Secure Wi-Fi practices. When using public Wi-Fi networks, it's important to exercise caution. Public networks may lack proper security measures, making it easier for attackers to intercept data. Avoid accessing sensitive information or logging into accounts that contain personal or financial data while connected to public Wi-Fi. 5. Data encryption. Encryption is the process of encoding data in such a way that only authorized parties can access and understand it. Implementing encryption for sensitive data, both during storage and transmission, adds an extra layer of protection, even if the data falls into the wrong hands. 6. Employee education and training. Human error is a significant factor in cybersecurity breaches. Educating employees about best practices, potential threats, and how to identify and respond to phishing attempts or suspicious activities can help strengthen an organization's cybersecurity posture. 7. Regular backups. Regularly backing up data is essential to protect against data loss caused by cyber attacks, hardware failures, or other unforeseen events. Backups should be stored securely and tested periodically to ensure data can be restored when needed. 8. Defense in-depth approach. Cybersecurity is best approached with a multi-layered defense strategy, also known as defense in-depth. This involves implementing a combination of security measures, such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, antivirus software, access controls, and employee awareness programs. Layering defenses helps mitigate risks by providing multiple barriers for potential attackers. 9. Incident response planning. Preparing for security incidents is crucial. Organizations should have an incident response plan in place, detailing steps to be taken in the event of a security breach. This includes identifying incident response team members, defining roles and responsibilities, and establishing procedures for containment, investigation, and recovery. 10. Continuous monitoring and threat intelligence. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and organizations should regularly monitor their systems for suspicious activities. Utilizing threat intelligence sources, such as security alerts, information sharing platforms, and industry reports, can help organizations stay informed about emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field, and it requires ongoing vigilance, adaptability, and collaboration to stay ahead of evolving threats. By implementing these secrets and best practices, individuals and organizations can enhance their defenses and mitigate the risks associated with cyber attacks.